welcome to Virtual Crafts. I hope you all are well. In the last video we saw how we can install, update or remove a package in Linux. In this video we'll see how we can obtain a list of all the packages that are installed in Linux and to obtain a list of all the packages that have updates available. First of all, after the last video I have received a question from you guys that how I shifted to the new GUI from the classic GNOME GUI, and first I'll answer that. You can change the GUI when you have turned on your VM and you are about to log in into the system. When you're on this screen, select the user that you want to log in with, and with the sign in button you'll see this small setting icon which has two GUIs, GNOME Classic and GNOME. By default you will be at GNOME Classic, which we landed on in our first video in which I installed CentOS, and in the second video I shifted it to GNOME. So this is where you can shift to the modern GNOME GUI. Select it from here and then enter your password and then sign in. Okay, then this is the GUI that you land on after shifting it to the modern GUI. I'll go to the activities and open the terminal. Okay, as I mentioned, in this video we'll see how we can obtain a list of all the packages that are installed, how we can obtain a list of packages that are to be updated, and how we can check whether a particular package has been installed or not. So first of all, let us see how we can obtain a list of the packages that are to be updated. I'll have to go to the root user. I'll enter the command switch user. We discussed this command in the last video. I'll press enter and enter the password for my root user, and here I have shifted my user to root. I'll clear the screen, and to get a list of the packages that are to be updated you'll have to write the command yum check dash updates, and here you will get a list of all the packages that are to be updated. You can find the desired package that you want to update and see the version that is currently installed and then update it accordingly. So this was a list of the packages that are to be updated. Now let's see how we can obtain a list of all the packages that are currently installed in our CentOS. I'll clear the screen again, and to obtain a list of all the packages you will write rpm-qa and press enter. And here you'll get a complete list of all the packages that are currently installed on your CentOS. Now this is a huge list and I can't scroll all the way to the top, so I'll just stop here, and this is how you will get the list of all the packages that are currently installed on your system. Now we'll see how we can check a single particular package, whether it is installed or not, and if it is installed, what is the version of the installed package. So I'll clear the screen and I will write the command rpm-q, and then I'll write the name of the package that I want to check whether it is installed or not. Let us check a package called gcc. I'll press enter, and you'll see that gcc is installed and this is its version. Now let's enter a dummy name of the package and see if it has been installed or not, which it definitely won't be, but for the sake of tutorial let us see. rpm-q, and let the dummy name be bunny. I hope it's not the real package. I'll press enter and you'll see that the package bunny is not installed, probably because there isn't any package named bunny, but you get the point, right? So this is how you can check whether a package is installed or not on your system and what is the version of the package that is installed. Now let's check a real package whether it is installed or not. scp, let's say, and you'll see that scp is not installed. Now scp is a real Linux package, and if a package is not installed and you need that package, you can always install it by the command we discussed in the previous video. So in this video we've seen that how we can obtain a list of all the packages that are installed in Linux, to obtain a list of all the packages that have updates available to them, and to check whether a particular package is installed or not. So that is all for this video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon next to it. See you in the next video.